Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale influencer outreach with AspireIQ, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start scaling your influencer outreach with AspireIQ, first, create an account on the AspireIQ platform. Once registered, log in to your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard for easy navigation. Next, define your campaign goals clearly. Consider what you hope to achieve, such as brand awareness or increased sales. After setting your goals, identify your target audience. Research demographics, interests, and locations to refine your search for influencers. Use the search functionality in AspireIQ to find influencers that align with your brand. Apply filters to narrow down your options based on your audience criteria. Review influencer profiles to assess their content style and engagement metrics. Select influencers who resonate most with your brand's values. Once you have a shortlist, reach out to them directly through the platform. Craft personalized messages to engage each influencer authentically. Outline your campaign details, including the project brief and partnership expectations. Manage your outreach directly from AspireIQ to streamline communication. As influencers respond, keep track of all interactions within the platform. Next, negotiate terms and finalize contracts with the selected influencers. Use AspireIQ's tools to create contracts that are clear and easy to understand. Once agreements are in place, monitor the progress of each campaign closely. Utilize the reporting features to track performance metrics effectively. Gather insights from your campaigns to analyze what works and what doesn't. Make adjustments based on feedback and performance data to improve future outreach efforts. Continuously engage with your influencers even after campaigns are complete. Building lasting relationships will enhance future collaborations. Refine your influencer database over time to maintain a relevant and effective outreach list. Stay informed about industry trends to adapt your strategies accordingly. With consistent effort and optimization, you can successfully scale your influencer outreach using AspireIQ. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.